Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can indent paragraph in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my paragraphs, and for example, I'm going to indent all these paragraphs in my document. First of all, I'm going to select my paragraphs here. Okay. And then I'm going to right click on it and we can go to the paragraph setting. Okay, and here you can custom the indents and spacing. And then I'm going to select this option, the spatial option, and you're going to choose first line. Okay, and I'm going to click on OK. Alright, and now it's done. As you can see, I have set paragraph indent here in my document. Okay guys, and that's all the way to automatically indent paragraphs in Microsoft Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!